Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change a language on Windows 10. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time on Microsoft OneNote, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Changing the language here in OneNote on Windows 10 is a simple process that can serve various purposes depending on your needs. So once you are logged in to your Microsoft OneNote on the web version, or if you open the Microsoft OneNote as an application, I want you to hover to the page that you wanted to change the language. So you have two options. Number one option is the proofing language. For you to be able to do that, for example, I am working with this specific page. I'm going to type in an information here. Now, for this instance, all right, for you to be able to change the proofing language, I want you to click the immersive reader option here on the top left corner. What will happen is it will be forwarded to the three options: the text preferences, the grammar options, and the reading preferences. If you click that, you're not going to be able to change the language here, but instead go to the reading preferences, and for the translate you can choose any language. For example, is it going to be like let's see, let's look for Japanese if they have that. There you go. For example, that. All right, so that's going to be the preference in terms of the desired language from the list. And of course, you have to click on apply. But I'm not going to do that right now, just showing you the option. I'm going to head back again to the English United States. And then one option or another option that you can do is go to your Microsoft account. All right. That is changing the interface language. Now go to the upper right corner and I want you to click your Microsoft account. Now, once you have access your Microsoft account profile, you see there is going to be the country and region. And from the bottom of it, you have the language. All you have to do is click on this option that says, ask me before translating. All right. If you do that, you should be able to see the options from here. You can display the language that you wanted, or you can add the preferred languages that you want. If you click that, you would be forwarded here. If you don't have anything else, click the add language and you can choose from any of the following. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.